Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You can use chili peppers, apple cider vinegar, and water to make a homemade bird repellent spray to keep birds off your garden plants. To eliminate bird activity in your yard, spray this spray on your plants and other areas where birds tend to gather to keep them at bay.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Baking soda. If pigeons and other nuisance birds are invading your patio space or windowsills, try sprinkling baking soda anywhere they like to perch. Birds don't like the feel of the baking soda under their toes and will avoid it at all costs.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Do wind chimes keep birds away? Any unusual or unexpected noises do work to keep birds away, but as soon as they get used to the noise, they'll likely return. Placing wind chimes in your yard may yield temporary results, but it's unlikely that it will work for years to come.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fake it with a snake or owl. Keep birds away from your deck, pool, or garden by putting a rubber snake or plastic owl nearby. You can often find them at hardware stores. As they fly overhead, they'll see the fake predator and won't land near it. Move the fake around at least once a day so they think it's real.
Let's help you make your mark.
Essential oils, garlic, cayenne pepper and professional products are all known to be smells that birds hate. Keeping birds away by using smell is an effective and simple way of deterring birds. Birds hate the smell of many things that humans love.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Teflon. Teflon and non-stick cookware. Overheated Teflon can cause almost instant death of your bird. Your bird should never be anywhere near Teflon or other non-stick cookware when it is being used. Metals. Tin found in aluminum foil, gum wrappers, and cans is toxic to birds.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fill the empty soda bottle with the water, then add the crushed red pepper to the container. Pour the homemade bird repellent into the spray bottle, then spray the mixture on your plants and in the larger areas where birds regularly visit. The spray works great to repel birds, and the vinegar for plants is safe to use.
Let's help you make your mark.
To get rid of birds pooping on patio or deck, repel them with shiny, moving things. Hang mirrors, old CDs, metallic streamers, or metal wind chimes. Change your yard. Don't leave food outside. A bird feeder can attract all sorts of birds to your yard. Remove all water sources. Prune nearby shrubs and trees.
Let's help you make your mark.
Aluminum foil. One of the easiest and cheapest natural bird repellents is aluminum foil. If birds are disturbing your garden, you can place strips of aluminum foil under the surface of the dirt or around any plants they are bothering. Birds don't like the feel of the foil under their beaks and will stay away.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ultrasonic devices are static sound-emitting bird deterrents, which, in theory, will annoy birds to keep them away from enclosed or semi-enclosed areas. Ultrasonic scarers are not harmful to birds, However, there is debate around birds' ability to hear these frequencies at loud enough decibels.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.